महाराष्ट्र बँकेच्या पणजे झोनल ऑफिसाक सोमारा सकाळी उजो लागलो। शॉर्ट सर्किट जाला आसुये म्हूण बँकेचो झोनल मॅनेजर उलोवन दाखयता। पुलीस म्हणटा बऱ्योच कंप्युटर सिस्टमी आनी फायली काबार। फायर ब्रिगेडीन उजो आटापा हाडलो। पुण्यात सध्या महाराष्ट्र बँकेच्या ऑफिसरांची स्कॅमात धरपकड चल्ल्या। तातूंतच बँकेच्या पणजे ऑफिसाक उजो लागिल्ल्यान सुत्रां ते स्कॅमाकडेन संबंध आनी घातपाताचो दुबाव उक्तायतात।
Just now the police officers and fire brigade officers were to receive a letter from there. And only you can tell that because of what reason it has happened. But prima facie it is expected that because of some technical fault, short circuit or any other things.
How much is the loss you expect?
Loss is not more than some 2-3 pieces and 2 kbs.
How many files have been there?
No, not much files. Only that files which are remain on the tables that were got. For other things, everything now you must have also observed that everything was kept aside. No much damage has been done.
Most of the record.
Most of the record is available, yeah, definitely. Because we are having two to three systems. If this system goes bad or something happens, we are having standby system.
So data will be available.
Data is available. Even my Bureau branch is running. They also deliver data. That is centralized data. And by the evening we will start also function.
झोनल मॅनेजर सांगता फक्त खंय 2-3 कॉम्प्युटरांक उजो लागला। सुवातेवेलो पुलीस हवालदार मात म्हणटा 25 कॉम्प्युटर काबार आनी 2 कॅबिनांतल्यो फायली लासल्यात।
2 कॅबिनांतल्यो फायली लासल्यात थोडेशे। तिने खुर्च्यो, टेबल, कॉम्प्युटर्स, एसी चालू आहे।
कॉम्प्युटर असला किती सगळं
26
तीनच
मेल्ट झाला ना हिटर सगळं।
सो कितले आल्या
ऑलमोस्ट 27
कॉम्प्युटर आणि फायली कितले असतात?
फायली ते 2च कॅबिनातले असतात थोडे 10-40 असतले बारीक बारीक।
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी।